Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Nabiyil Kareem wa ali ashabi ajma'in. Wassalamu ala man ittabi'il huda. Amma ba'd. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. It is indeed a matter of great pleasure and pride for all the citizens of Bhivandi to have among us today Dr. Zakir Naik. I take this opportunity to welcome Dr. Zakir Naik and the dignitaries from all walks of the life on behalf of the organizers, Aqsa Educational Society. There has been another change in the program. As it was announced, the Commissioner of the Police, Mr. Bohite, will be the president of the function, but because of some contingencies, he has sent his apologies. It's very kind of Mr. Hingurani, a senior advocate, to have accepted to preside today's function. I really thank him on behalf of Aqsa Educational Society. Friends, we are about to start our formal function. I hereby call upon Qari Abdul Salam to come on the desk for recital of Quran. Qari Abdul Salam.
السلام عليكم. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. يا أيها الناس اتقوا ربكم الذي خلقكم من نفس واحدة وخلق منها زوجها وبث منهما رجالا كثيرا ونساء واتقوا الله الذي تساءلون به والأرحام إن الله كان عليكم رقيبا. صدق الله العظيم.
Jazakallah. Qari Abdul Salam has just recited the first verse from Surah Nisa from Holy Quran. For the benefit of all those who are present here, I would like to give the translation thereof. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In the name of Allah, most gracious, most merciful. Ya ayyuhan nasu attaqu rabbakum alladhi khalaqakum min nafsin wahida. O mankind, fear your guardian Lord who created you from a single person. وَخَلَقَ مِنْهَا زَوْجَهَا وَبَثَّ مِنْهُمَا رِجَالًا كَثِيرًا وَنِسَاءً. Created out of it his mate, and from them twine scattered like seeds countless men and women. وَاتَّقُوا اللَّهَ الَّذِي تَسَاءَلُونَ بِهِ وَالْأَرْحَامَ. Fear Allah, through whom you demand your mutual rights and be heedful of wombs that bore you. Inna Allaha kana alaykum raqiba, for Allah ever watches over you. That is the translation of the first verse of Surah Nisa. Now I call upon the chairman of Aqsa Educational Society, Mr. Javed Farid, to give a brief introduction of Aqsa Educational Society. Mr. Javed Farid.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Salatam wa salaman ala Rasulihil Kareem. Respected President of this function, Advocate Hingorani Sahab, our Chief Guest of this function, Advocate Prabhakar Hegde Sahab, Main Speaker of this function, Dr. Zakir Naik Sahab, Main Organizer of this function, on behalf of Aqsa Educational Society, Mr. Abdul Majid Narwal Sahab, our guest of honors, brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum. On behalf of Aqsa Educational Society, I welcome you all on this particular occasion and function. Aqsa Educational Society was established in the year 1980 under the guidance and supervision and thoughts given by, at that time, our religious and spiritual guide, Maulana Abdus Samad Sharfuddin Sahab. His idea was, at that time, that the women of our society must get perfect and good education, so that as soon as they'll get good education, they'll prove themselves as good housewives, good mothers, and then immediately they'll be an asset to the society, and of course, they'll just take care very gracefully total problems of their families and all that. And for that purpose and idea, in 1987, we started Aqsa Girls High School with just 127 students at that time. Alhamdulillah, by grace of Allah, within 10 years, that is in 1998 this year, the strength of girl students has gone up to 2,700. And inshallah, in the year 1999, June, it is expected to go up to 3,000. Of course, I know that you have come to listen, not much to me, but to Dr. Naik. So, please excuse me and listen to him. Thank you.
Thank you, Jait Bhai. And as the protocol demands, I would like to introduce to you in a very brief manner the distinguished guests who are occupying the stage. As told to you earlier, Mr. K.R. Hingorani, he has kindly consented to preside over the function in absence of Mr. Mohite. Mr. K.R. Hingorani, advocate for last 45 years in Bhiwandi. He was president of Bhiwandi Bar Association for last 6 years, and he has in-depth studied comparative religion. Our chief guest of the day, Prabhakar Hegde's personality is well known to Bhiwandi people. He is a leading